some boxers. And so I know y'all probably like, why I keep on switching, because I don't like the control of that one. And then going around small curves. It's easier to go around a curve with a smaller rotary blade than a bigger one. Plus, this one needs a new blade. Am I going to put a new one in it? Probably not. I'll probably try to sharpen it. Okay, so that pot. I need the ruler. All right, that pocket's done. I'm gonna put this up because I'll leave it out like all that stuff on my table, and we can't keep on doing that because it's driving me nuts anyway. And I need a scrap of the fabric. And I don't necessarily need a big piece, but I definitely still wanted to do in the right direction. So I need to make sure it is at least 10 inches, 9 to 10 inches long. I want to straight. It's easier to straighten out the hem or straighten out the one. All right. Okay, that works. And what I'll do is, instead of turning it under, instead of doing that, I'm just going to actually serge both sides or one side, and it'll be all right. Crooked. Trying to concentrate, y'all. I know y'all probably like, why is she not talking no more? I'm not trying to avoid y'all. Just trying to pay attention to what I'm doing. Trying to make sure it's straight because it's kind of hard to tell. It's not like there's straight lines on it. So I'm going to do it roughly 3 inches. Maybe 3.5 inches wide, or 3.25. How about that? That sounds like a good distance. So what I'm going to do is serge down the side, and then I'm going to put the two pieces, put them on top. And I did it that wide to allow myself grace, a little bit of room, just in case I needed to take something off. And I did, and I do. All right, I'm going to take you around the room. I will try to turn down the noise because the machine is loud. I don't know if I can. If I can't, I probably won't do too much more of this on. If I can't, if it's too loud, let me know. This is not the best seat. I got to get me a new chair, y'all. Where's a good place to get a good chair? Because that's my only thing. I can't stand not having or not being comfortable. Let me see. La-di-da. I'm trying to learn different things on here. I know y'all probably thinking, why is she staring at the screen so much? Because I'm trying to figure out, my phone's got stuff on it, and I'm trying to figure out